Abdullah is a young boy, 7 months of age, who presents to us with liver failure since birth. His condition was complicated because he has had surgery before this, which was unsuccessful. And when he came to us, he was in a lot of distress. His liver was swollen, his belly was full of water, and he was barely able to put on weight. Abdullah's mother had come forward as a donor, and she was not of the same blood group. So he required a special procedure called immunoadsorption to remove the antibodies from his blood to make it suitable for his mom's liver to be transplanted to him. This is a very fine procedure. It was done in collaboration with colleagues at Rainbow Hospital, and to our knowledge, he's the smallest child to undergo this procedure in India. Following this, he underwent an extremely difficult and complex surgery because of his weight. He was very small, and all the blood was very, very small. And he spent a very, very long time in ICU. He was ably supported by our colleagues in pediatric ICU, and after a very long time, he was able to have a successful outcome.
Integrated liver team as well as the pediatric services here, we are looking after children who are extremely tiny, who are extremely complex, and who have had end-stage liver disease. Abdullah is one such child who posed many clinical problems to all of us. He was a biliary atresia post-Kasai, had decompensated liver disease, he was nutritionally suboptimal, had early stages of encephalopathy, and he had certain antibodies which had to be removed prior to surgery. He underwent the antibody removal over a cycle of 2 days using special filters, and then a day-long surgery for the liver transplant, and another 2 months of rehabilitation following that surgery. And today he lives and goes back to a normal life as before.
गंगोली की रहने वाली हूँ। मेरे बच्चे का बहुत बुरा हाल था, लिवर सिरोसिस हो गया था, लिवर सब डैमेज हो गया पहले। उसके बाद में इधर आए, बेंगलोर आए हम, और आके इधर सर्जरी सब करने के बाद में बच्चा माशाल्लाह अच्छा हो गया है। 1.5 महीने तक आईसीयू में थे। सब डॉक्टर्स का शुक्रिया, और आज हम इधर जा रहे हैं, जैसे सब बच्चा सब अच्छा है।
These are the very challenging type of surgeries, and also they need lot of financial assistance, and due to our affordable pediatric transplant initiative, we are able to help these type of poor kids and who needs very intense care, and we are able to successfully do this transplant.
When Abdullah was posted for his liver transplant, he was only about 7 months old. 3 kilograms were fluid in his abdomen, which made his breathing very laborious, and he was struggling to even gain a few grams to his body weight. So the challenge with him was primarily a very small child for his age. Along with that, a major surgery going on for almost a good 10 to 12 hours or even longer, and having to go through that with very little safety margins. So in small children like Abdullah, our primary goal is to keep it as safe as possible. Extreme care has to be taken while doing with children like Abdullah, and trying to make sure that they do not lose a lot of blood. You maintain their fluid balance. Getting venous access into these children is also very difficult. The challenge is to try and get them safely through the surgery for those 10 hours, and then make sure that they recover to regain some amount of that strength during the post-operative phase, so that they can be taken off the ventilator and they can breathe on their own.
Dr. Sonal, Dr. Manikarjun, Karthik sir, Dr. Chetan, Dr. Arun, इन सब को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा कर रहे हैं हम लोग। आज इस हालात से आज मेरे बच्चे को सही सलामत मेरे गोद में, मेरे बीवी के गोद में, इस हालात से हम लोगों को पहुंचाते हैं। बहुत 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 शुक्रिया इन लोगों का, बहुत शुक्रिया। जितना हम लोग शुक्रिया अदा कम करेंगे उतना ही कम दिख रहा है। बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसका उनका शुक्रिया अदा, बस बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।